Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to talk about risk-based thinking, which is mentioned a lot in the new international standards. We'll quickly share some knowledge about ISO 9001, what risk-based thinking is and how it applies to a process. Let's get started. Introduction to risk-based thinking. Risk-based thinking has always been part of ISO 9001. Previously implied through planning, review, improvement. ISO 9001, 2015 makes it explicit and systematic. What is risk-based thinking? A proactive approach, required by ISO 9001. Helps organizations identify factors that may cause processes to deviate from planned results. Ensures consistent performance and improved customer satisfaction. Why risk-based thinking? Supports a preventive approach. Helps organizations anticipate problems. Reduce undesired effects. Improve outcomes. Enhances confidence in achieving quality objectives. Understanding organizational context, Clause 4.1. Organizations must understand internal and external issues. Consider factors that affect QMS performance. Context forms the basis for identifying risks. Risk-based thinking in QMS processes, Clause 4.4. Applied to planning and implementation of processes. Helps determine level of control needed. Amount of documented information required. Not all processes carry the same level of risk. Risk-based planning, Clause 6.1. Organizations shall determine risks and opportunities. Plan actions to address them. Purpose. Prevent negative effects. Enhance positive outcomes. Achieve continual improvement. Components of risk-based thinking. Identification. Analysis. Evaluation. Treatment. Why is it important? Prevents problems before they occur. Increases the reliability of processes. Enhances decision-making based on risk awareness. Creates a culture of continuous improvement. Key objectives. Detect potential risks early. Implement preventive controls. Reduce negative impacts on processes and output. Identify and maximize opportunities. Detect potential risks early. Use tools like SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Checklists and assumption analysis to systematically find potential problems. Implement preventive controls. Preventative controls. Preventative controls are designed to prevent misstatements from occurring, whether due to fraud or error. Some examples of preventative controls include segregation of duties, access controls, physical controls, etc. Reduce negative impacts on processes and output. Audit, look at your current consumption, waste streams, and process bottlenecks. Train staff, educate on new procedures, recycling guidelines, and energy-saving practices. Set goals, establish clear targets for waste reduction, energy savings, and efficiency gains. Monitor and adapt, continuously check progress, and adjust strategies as needed. Identify and maximize opportunities. Proactive improvement, don't just fix problems, seek ways to prevent them and improve processes, like resource efficiency, waste reduction. Drive innovation, opportunities arise from new tech, better design, and stakeholder engagement. Understanding risks and opportunities. Risks. Issues that can cause nonconformities. Factors that may lead to process failure or reduced performance. Opportunities. Situations that can improve processes. Chances to enhance efficiency or increase customer satisfaction. How risk-based thinking works. Identify risks and opportunities. Analyze their potential impact. Plan actions to address them. Implement preventive measures. Monitor and review effectiveness. Examples of risk-based actions. Training programs to reduce human error. Equipment maintenance to prevent breakdowns. Supplier evaluation to avoid quality issues. Process improvement initiatives. Benefits to the organization. More stable and predictable processes. Reduced costs from fewer errors and failures. Faster response to changes and uncertainties. Better use of organizational resources. Conclusion. Risk-based thinking strengthens the quality management system. Helps prevent negative outcomes. Supports continuous improvement and opportunity enhancement. Essential for long-term organizational success. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.